Okay, Julie, how are you today?
Splendid.
Excellent. Okay, we're gonna do something. We're gonna do right now. It's called Diadoco Kinetic, and what I'm gonna do is it's measuring your ability and how well your motor control for your mouth goes, and it goes from the front of your mouth to the middle and then to the back. So with those sounds, it's gonna be pa ta ka.
Pa ta ka.
Okay, and really, it's kind of like being in a race. I want you to do it as fast as you can. We're going to do it for 5 seconds. I'll tell you to stop. Take a breather, and then we'll do it another 5 seconds. We'll do it another 5 seconds.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, let's go as fast as you can.
Patika 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 patika.
Okay, stop. Okay, are you ready to go again? Let's
Sure.
go.
Patika 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 patika.
Okay, stop.
It's
Okay.
It's pa ta ka. Right?
Pataka, 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 pataka.
Okie dokie.
You're in a race. Okay. Are you ready to go again?
Sure.
Let's go right now.
Patika 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 patika.
Okay. Stop.
patika.
Okay. Now this is going to be a little bit harder.
Okay.
We're going to do the same task. So
Okay.
you're going to be doing pataka, but on this one, we are actually, I'm going to put a tongue depressor in your mouth, and I'm going to have you hold it in your mouth on one side of your mouth as a bite block. And that actually helps us to determine if there was something, if you were having any difficulties from your cranial nerve.
Ah, right on.
You were helping the control with that with the muscles from the jaw.
Would it be easier if I sat forward?
No, because I don't have to really hold the tongue depressor. You have to hold it between your teeth.
Okie dokie.
Okay. Open your mouth. Okay, let's... Now, do real pataka, 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 pataka as fast as you can.
Here?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Sure.
Let's go.
Patika 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 patika.
Okay, go ahead. Stop.
I should have taken a deep breath first.
That probably would have been helpful.
Yeah, you think?
That's why you have 2 more times to do that.
Okay.
You're doing okay. You're doing great, Julie. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay, let's try it again. Ready? Go when you're ready.
Patika 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 patika.
Okay, stop. We're having too much fun.
You really are.
Then again, Dr. Brindle, it is, it's almost 11 o'clock at night here.
It's a Saturday night.
But it is
We do it on a
Saturday.
night.
And we
guess
just got
that
through
makes it
shopping.
all right. Why is this song Little Red Corvette running in my head now?
I don't know.
Okay.
Because it goes pataka down the road. Pataka, pataka, pataka down
No,
the
that
road.
would be a Harley.
Oh, okay. Well, I tried. Are you ready to do this one more time?
Sure.
Ready? Let's go.
Okay,
you can stop.
Okay.
Did we do it 3 times with that? In your mind?
We'll do it one more time if you want.
No, I think we're all set. Okay, Julie, thank you so much.
Well, I love being obnoxious.